Welcome to our step-by-step guide on decorating a small white cabinet kitchen. In this video, we will show you how to transform your kitchen using various components to create a stylish and functional space. Let's get started. The first step is to install the base cabinets. These cabinets will provide ample storage for your kitchen essentials. Place them along the lower section of the kitchen, ensuring they are level and secure. Next, let's install the wall cabinets. These will add extra storage space and elevate the overall look of your kitchen. Make sure to measure and mark the appropriate height, and securely attach them to the wall. Now, it's time to install the countertops. Choose a durable and aesthetically pleasing material that complements your small white cabinets. Carefully measure and cut the countertops to fit, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. The sink is a crucial component of any kitchen. Install it within the base cabinet, ensuring proper alignment with the plumbing. Connect the water supply lines and secure the sink in place. Enhance the visual appeal of your kitchen by adding a backsplash. Measure the area behind the countertops and sink, and apply the chosen backsplash material. This will protect your walls from moisture and provide a stylish backdrop. Now it's time to focus on organization. Install drawer units within the base cabinets for efficient utensils and tool storage. Add open shelves for displaying decorative items or frequently used kitchenware. Finally, install upper cabinets for additional storage space. To keep your kitchen clean and well lit, install a range hood above your cooking range or stove. This will remove smoke and odors. Additionally, choose suitable lighting fixtures such as recessed lights or pendant lights to illuminate your workspace and create a pleasant ambience. It's time to add those final details that elevate your kitchen's aesthetic appeal. Install hinges, handles, and knobs on your cabinets and drawers. Consider adding crown molding at the top of the upper cabinets for a sophisticated look. If desired, attach cabinet legs for a touch of elegance. Make the most of your small white cabinet kitchen by incorporating clever storage solutions. Install a Lazy Susan in the corner cabinet for easy access to items in the back. Consider adding a pull-out pantry for organizing your groceries. And don't forget a spice rack to keep your seasonings within reach. If you enjoy wine, why not include a wine rack in your kitchen? It's a great way to store and display your favorite bottles. Lastly, use filler strips to create a seamless look between cabinets or fill gaps between cabinets and walls. And there you have it. By following these steps and incorporating the various components, you can transform your small white cabinet kitchen into a stunning and functional space. Enjoy your newly decorated kitchen.